Hey guys, I know this is so weird how I'm opening my vlog, but I realized when I was filming this vlog I never did an intro, so here it is. So I just took a shower, basically just got out of the shower, and that's why my hair is so wet. This vlog is kind of exciting for me because I'm gonna let you guys know what's going on. So basically I'm gonna be traveling. I'm so excited and happy. I'm gonna be going for the first time, guys. For the first time I'm gonna be going to the snow. I'm so happy. Can you guys believe that? I'm 28 years old and I never ever been to the snow. So basically I live in California. It doesn't snow here. If you guys know, like, I'm close by the Bay Area. It just doesn't freaking snow. This has always been one of my dreams, to see the snow, maybe see the snow fall down, you know, just to be in a place where it's like winter wonderland. I always wanted to go, honestly, since I was like a little kid. When I came from Mexico, I was like all thinking that, you know, I was gonna come here and it was gonna be like snowing and stuff like that, because that's what we used to think when we live in Mexico. But once we got here, we got to California. So basically in California it doesn't snow. So I'm super excited. We're gonna be going to Lake Tahoe, close to Lake Tahoe. We're like in the middle of everything and I just can't wait to go. So I'm gonna be showing you guys the stuff that I'm taking, how I'm gonna be packing. This is kind of like the first time that I'm taking a trip in a long time. The only place I have traveled before is LA. I honestly don't really travel. So I'm so excited, but at the same time I'm so nervous. Like, I'm trying to not get anxious. Hopefully everything goes good. But yeah, guys, I can't wait. Also guys, wait for all the vlogs because I'm gonna be vlogging for you guys. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have a couple of vlogs for you, just because I'm gonna be too excited to show you everything. We're only going for 3 days and I'm taking so many clothes because I want to take advantage and take so many pictures for you guys. And then I'm also gonna show you guys how I pack my makeup, because I'm not gonna take like a lot of makeup. So let me show you guys that. Okay, so I'm gonna start packing. I kind of started a little bit earlier today. Oh, and by the way, I'm watching Friends, so don't mind my mess. So that's why you guys hear that in the background. So I already put my socks in here, my gloves, my hats, my beanies. So all that I already put in there. I just need to put my bras and underwear. And then over here I just put a pair of jeans, my pajamas, and then I have this little thing. This is for makeup. It's so dirty, I couldn't get it, like I try to clean it and it doesn't come off. But I have, like, you know, my face stuff and for my teeth and stuff like that. I put it there, and then I have my strainer. I still have to put my curling iron, all of that. So now I'm gonna start packing my clothes. So Bella's here as always, and then I have one of my sweaters that I already wore, so I have to fold that. But I mainly have everything here, most of the clothes that I'm taking. So I'm taking these jackets. This is gonna be like the big one, the one that I'm gonna wear like most of the time. And then these are just gonna be like for pictures. Honestly, I still don't know if I want to take this white one because it's super thin, like so thin that I feel like I'm just gonna freeze. Like, this one is a little bit thicker. I don't know if it still fits me. What size is it? It's a medium, so I'll try them and see how they look. But I'm taking this. I'm taking this shirt right here. You know, we're inside and it's not that cold. And then I'm taking this sweater. I freaking love this sweater. It's so cute. I'm taking this one. Oh my god, guys, this jacket. Oh, is it like a sweater? I don't know what it is. Like a jacket sweater. It's like teddy material. You know, like, oh, it came off, but I'll put it over here. But it's so warm and it feels like a freaking blanket. I think I'm gonna take this when we're on our way over there, like when we're in the car, you know, so I could just feel so damn comfy. And it's so cute. And then this is my big ass scarf that I'm taking. another sweater. So yeah, I have my towel, so I'm gonna put my towel first. And then this is the other sweater I'm taking. So some of them I'm not gonna put them in here because I'm taking a backpack, and I'll show you guys right now. So I'm gonna put whatever I want to wear like the first day in the backpack, because we're gonna arrive there super early, so and we're not gonna get the Airbnb until like super later, like 4 o'clock, and we're probably gonna arrive like 11 or 12. So we're arriving super early. So yeah, I need to put some clothes on the side, that way I could like wear that when we're there, and like I could take some pictures and you know, all of that. Just putting that, as you guys can see, is already getting full because my jackets are gonna be big. So I guess I'll pull my Nets jacket over here and then see if I could put something on top of there, but at least I have 2 sweaters in there, my shirts, and then I still need more shirts that are not arriving until tomorrow, my long sleeve shirts, because I ordered everything online. So I'm gonna show you guys what I'm taking as far as the makeup. I'm gonna take really basic makeup, and Bella is on my go there, mamita. So I'm not gonna take nothing like super fancy, because I just want to do natural makeup. So let me just show you guys. I already put it in here. So I'm just taking a ColourPop eyeshadow, because just in case if I want to be a little bit extra. And then to contour, because as you guys know, I've been loving to do cream contour. If you guys haven't watched my everyday makeup look, I'll link it down below. Mascara, another mascara. I like to layer my mascaras. Bronzer from MAC. Eyeliner just in case if I want to go a little bit crazy, but most likely I won't use it. Obviously for my eyelashes. My favorite concealer from Tarte is already almost done, so I need to go buy another one. Excuse my nails, I'm gonna redo them today. And my favorite foundations are L'Oreal Infallible. I like to mix this one with Milani foundation. These two combo looks so good on me and it will last all day long. By the way, I don't even use a face primer, so I'm not taking a face primer. And then a little small blush. And this is just to correct under my eye circles. And then I have some whiteys here, and then I have my contour palette, which I haven't used this in a long time, so I'm just going to take it because I know I really like it. So I like to contour with these two, and then to set under my eyes, I'm going to be using these two, and then I'm also going to be using these eyeshadows for my eyes. So I'm probably not going to take a palette for my eyes. If anything, I'll just take like a, I don't know, a Supernatural palette, like a small one. I'll see what I have in my collection because I don't want to take anything too big. Oh, and I still need for my eyebrows. For my eyebrows, I'm just going to take my pencil. I have to look for it. I'm still missing, here Bella, she wants to play with her toy. I'm still missing for my eyebrows. I am going to take this from Morphe, and it's like the eyeshadow for the eyebrows, and eyebrow pencil, and that's it. And then just my brushes. So at first I was gonna take this backpack, like my carry-on, you know, to have in front with me, but as you guys can see, nothing fits on it. Like, it just doesn't fit. So I went and bought this bag from Ross. So let me tell you guys what I'm gonna put in there, because now I have to pack real quick because we're leaving tomorrow and I have like not enough time right now to pack. So here I have, so look what she's doing. What are you doing, mamita? She always does that. So in this little bag I have like my earphones, my charger, extra batteries for my camera, and I think I have an aux cord or something like that. Hey, that's nothing there for you. I'm taking a makeup palette. Just watch her. I'm taking little hair rubber bands and stuff like that for my hair. Advil just in case. My tripod for my vlogging camera, which I'm not even using right now. My makeup, as I already showed you guys. And here's where I put all my brushes. I'm doing this real quick, guys. I don't have enough time because I still want to edit this video. So I'm taking my brushes here. I'm missing one right here. I need to check which one it is. Okay, that's it. And then I have a bag, and that's where I put my hair extensions. You guys can kind of see right there, just to protect it a little bit. So all of that is going in here. And then whatever I'm gonna wear the first day. So I'm taking this sweater because I want to wear that one, because I'm gonna go like in my sweats, you know. I'm not gonna be in the car like all dressed up, so I have to take my fit that I want to wear when we get there. What else? Oh, to put my vlogging camera. See, I had all of this in the backpack and it doesn't fit. I'm not gonna take like my computer or anything because I'm not gonna be editing over there. Honestly, I don't want to stress out about editing. Like, it just will be too much. And then I'm taking my chargers for my cameras. So I'm taking my vlogging camera, and I'm also taking this one because I want to take good pictures, you know. And then I have a pair of jeans that I don't know if I'm gonna put there or I'm gonna put in my suitcase. I'm also gonna put probably my scarf in here because I'm gonna wear that obviously when we get there. Oh, and then I'm also taking this backpack because that's gonna be like my purse. I'm not gonna take a purse. I'm just gonna take my backpack because it's easier for me to put my cameras, both of my cameras. And then yeah, I think that's about like the things that I'm gonna put in here. I'm probably gonna put like on the side. I like this bag because it has something, like it has this pockets on the side, and I'm probably gonna put like my tennis shoes there because I am gonna take tennis shoes. Oh, I didn't show you guys what shoes I'm taking. So the boots, look at her, she's so cute. The boots that I got are these. I know my nails are still ugly, like I still have to do my nails, so it's fine, don't worry guys. So I got these for like 40 bucks, and this is the brand, and I like them because they look really warm from the inside. I really hope they are warm, and I mean they're fine because I spent $40 on that. To me that was expensive. And I'm gonna take, like I said, some sneakers, and I think that's it guys. I think that's about it for my packing. I know it's a mess right now. Like, okay, let me get this together and I'll show you guys how I organize everything inside here. So I already packed everything. As you guys could see, everything fits and I still have room, like if I wanted to put more stuff. And then over here I have my snow gloves. I didn't show you guys that. And I wrapped my camera with one of my shirts because I don't have a bag for this camera. I should have one. Honestly, I'm gonna try if I have time to go buy one at Best Buy, but if not, it's okay. And then yeah, so that's it. I have a mess in my room. I'm not gonna show you guys how everything looks. That's basically my first time packing like this, so I hope you guys somewhat like this video or help you to pack for your trips. And then just wait for my vlogs that I'm gonna be posting for you guys once we're over there. So yeah, so thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video.